The intention could be the best, but if the beneficiary fails to understand the underlying benefits and advantages of the acts, then the very purpose of doing a good job becomes futile. Lack of maturity and intellect of the beneficiaries boomerang the bad effects not only on the benefactor beneficiary but also on the mass who believe the immature. One of the most brilliant, though painful examples of this type of situation have been observed when some of the immature individuals in power criticized to negate the efforts of the government at the center on tintinabulation of bells and any metal objects at one evening and lighting lamps on some other evening during the first wave of the Corona 19 pandemic that showed its ugly head starting from March 2020 through the end of 2020. While each one of us was aware that tintibullation of bells and lighting lights are not going to cure us of the pandemic, it was also understood by millions of sensible citizens that when faced with an enemy unprepared, one has to pray for one's safety. So, we were praying to the Almighty to save us from the pandemic. It was a belief and certainly a strong faith in God. On a lighter note, lock your car, but also have faith on God. Now, another interesting observation came to sight. The moment vaccines got developed by the researchers and scientists, the same individuals once again made efforts to refrain people to get vaccinated. They did spread groundless rumors like vaccines are not safe. They campaigned against the best and the sincerest efforts of the government of India. They created chaos on the minds of 135 crores Indians. The funny part is, the same individuals who dissuaded common people from getting vaccinated got themselves vaccinated at the first chance. The disruptions created by the myopic but powerful individuals made millions of Indians suffer. The disaster, which could have been tackled with all out efforts and supports of each one, was found fighting by only the central government. We as a nation are still suffering equally due to the chaos created by the myopic individuals and the pandemic on the other side. This situation makes me to recall
यान्ति देवव्रता देवान् पितॄन् यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्या यान्ति मज्जाजिनोऽपि माम्
meaning the worshippers of the devas or gods go to the devas, to the pitrus or ancestors go to the ancestor worshippers, to the bhutas or the elements go to the worshippers of the bhutas. But my worshippers, Sri Krishna says, come to me. We have to follow the good leader and have to surrender to his decision. In this case, it is Sri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, is now delivering the role as it was delivered by Sri Krishna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Let us contemplate and support Sri Narendra Modi in coming out of this pandemic situation as well as any other adversities that may come in the future to India and we Indians. Thank you. Thank you for giving a patience hearing.